To buy calls on Webull, you first need to understand what a call option is. A call option gives the buyer the right, but not the obligation, to buy a specific stock at a predetermined price, known as the strike price, before a certain date, known as the expiration date. Start by opening the Webull app and logging into your account. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one and deposit funds before you can start trading. Once logged in, navigate to the market page and search for the stock you want to buy a call option for. Select the stock and click on the trade button. This will take you to the trade page where you will see the option to buy or sell options. Click on the buy option and then select the call option. You will be presented with a list of available call options with different strike prices and expiration dates. Choose the call option you want to buy by selecting the strike price and expiration date that best fits your investment strategy. The price of the call option is known as the premium and it will be displayed on the trade page. The premium is the cost of buying the call option and it will be deducted from your account balance. Before you buy the call option, you need to determine how many contracts you want to purchase. One contract is equal to 100 shares of the underlying stock. So if you buy one contract, you have the right to buy 100 shares of the stock at the strike price. Once you have selected the call option and determined the number of contracts you want to buy, click on the buy button to execute the trade. The premium will be deducted from your account balance and the call option will be added to your portfolio. It is essential to have a clear understanding of the risks involved in buying call options. If the stock price does not go above the strike price before the expiration date, the call option will expire worthless and you will lose the premium you paid. However, if the stock price goes above the strike price, you can exercise the call option and buy the stock at the strike price. Or you can sell the call option for a profit. To minimize risks, it is crucial to set a budget and stick to it. Never invest more money than you can afford to lose. It is also essential to have a clear investment strategy and to do your research before buying call options. Consider factors such as the volatility of the stock, the overall market conditions, and the company's financial health before making a decision. By following these steps and being aware of the risks involved, you can successfully buy calls on Webull and potentially profit from the stock market. Always prioritize risk management and never stop learning, as the stock market is constantly changing and it is essential to stay up to date with the latest developments.